Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So a bit of a different video today. So a project reached out to me on Twitter, asking if I can go do a review video on them, not necessarily a promotion video, but more like a review video. And I'm going to go through this video, giving them feedback on the website, and maybe how to help them grow the community, that type of stuff. And this might possibly the first meme CNFT project I've seen. So full disclaimer, guys, this is a meme project, right? Meme token, meme NFTs, all that type of stuff. But the guy is super chill. He's been talking to me about in the past 3 weeks, replying on my tweets, just chatting to me, just being a really chill, laid back guy. And I think they've been around for a few months now. Not growing too much, but they've got an alright sized community. Their Twitter does have a decent following, and they are actually doing things right. But what I actually like about this project is they have a little white paper. They call it the kitty litter paper, right? And they literally say they have no plan. What else did he say here? I read something down here saying something about don't believe in us, but we will get stuff done. Here, anyway, we have a catabolic plan to make Pure go into the moon in 2099. Maybe do not count on us. They're being very transparent, saying do not invest in us unless you just want to have a bit of fun. Which I think is cool, and that's why I think this isn't a scam or anything like that, because they're literally opening up and saying, don't buy us. This is a meme coin. If you want to have a bit of fun, sure, come here, just be a part of the community, that type of stuff. But because this is a review video, I want to help the people who made this project and just see if they want to maybe grow and actually become maybe a serious project, a serious meme project, that type of thing. And I think firstly, my first feedback is just the website in general. It's not an awful website, but it's not the best website. For example, I don't this could be my personal opinion. You guys could disagree with me here. But personally, I do not like the light green with the white background. Maybe have a nice banner at the top with the buttons, your logo. Something that's just fancy and cute, I guess, with the cat. But I just don't think the green and the white suit each other. This looks okay. You've got your links here. You've got here what the project's about. So they have got 3 collections. You've got Mrs. Catkinson, you've got Mr. Catkinson, and then eventually they have little Catkinsons, right? And these 2 are already out from what I've seen, and you can still purchase some, I believe. And what's going to be happening is if you have 2 of these, you'll be able to breed and have a little Catkinsons, right? And they are actually planning on having a play to earn game, and you'll earn the token Pure, which you can actually purchase Pure if you want to, and that's going to be their in-game currency. If you do actually hold the NFTs as well, you can also stake your Pure and put them in the pools below here, and you'll get just free per. And they actually are on a few dexes like Sunday Swap and all that type of stuff. So yeah, if we go back to the kitty litter paper, which I think it's a nice name. I think that's good. But honestly, it depends on what these guys want to do with their project. Do they want to take it more serious? Do they want to keep it in the meme style but grow more? I mean, they are clearly a meme coin, right? They've already said that. They're already saying don't buy us, all that type of stuff, unless you want to have a bit of fun with this project and join their little community. So basically all it is a cat meme, token on Cardano. We're tired of all of these dogs, wolves, and other 4-paw animals going to the moon. We want our cat kids into the moon. However, be aware, we have no plan. They're being very transparent, very honest. They don't want to steal your money, right? Which I really like. That's the only reason why I accepted this review from them, guys, because I just thought, you know what? They've been really chill with me. They've been very supportive of my Twitter, and they're literally open and honest on their website and their little cat litter, I guess, paper. It's just a bit of fun, bit of uniqueness. It is very different. I've not seen anything like this yet in the CNFT space, so it is very unique, especially something that tells you, look, be aware, we actually haven't got a plan just yet. Just don't invest in us unless you really want to and have a bit of fun, which it's unique. You don't see that very often. So yeah, the kitty litter stash. You can buy cat kits and pet in our kitty litter stash. Visit it and follow and all the instructions. Please note you must do 1 transaction per time of the amount specified in the kitty litter page. All NFT and or plus adder will be accepted as donation and not refunded. Yeah. Another thing I would say, guys, is the font is quite difficult to read in my opinion, so maybe just a more simpler font on this would be handy. I don't know if it's just me. I personally feel like it's a bit hard to read. You don't really need a font like that anyway. You just want like something that's easy to read. I don't know, maybe you want to find something more cartoonish, more bubbly. That's fine, of course. They've got a cat map. We honestly want to do nothing, but since the community is growing, we have a cat map. So yeah, they're literally saying like, if it wasn't for the community, there wouldn't be anything else with this project, and that's the whole point of a meme community, right? If the community's strong, they will actually do things and keep improving the project. Which, you know, who knows? In the next year, this could be the biggest meme project on CNFT space. Who knows? But again, I just love the fact they're being open and honest. So what have they done so far? So they've got CNFT collection of 2 seasons, which is the male cats and the female cats. They've already brought that out already. They have actually listed on Cardano dexes, such as Muesli Swap and Sunday Swap, which is, you know, it's a big deal. It's not too bad. It's pretty good. They're going to be developing a play-to-earn game where will be able to use your CNFTs of Season 1 and 2 to generate little Catkinsons tradable only with Pure. Doesn't exactly say what the game will be about or if it's a play-to-earn and whatnot. You just be able to breed and stuff like that. Maybe it's on this little mini-game page here. Have a little look here. Doesn't say too much here, so it says send 5 added plus 50 million Pure to the below address, so then you are, I guess, getting your little Pure, I assume. Not exactly sure what's going on here, so maybe a bit more information on this page. Again, I just think, personally, the website might need an overhaul. Don't take offense to that or anything like that. I just think it does need a bit of an overhaul. Maybe a certain color scheme, maybe like a different layout. I do like this bit here. I like how you show off this bit. This is okay. This is fine as well. I just think maybe the top part, like this background here, and maybe the top bar as well, and maybe some different pages here. So yeah, overall, it's not bad. It's not bad considering you're a project with no plan, which I think is funny to say. I don't think I've ever seen a project just openly admit there isn't a plan. So it is quite fun. It is funny. And you can actually purchase these CNFTs, guys, over on JPEG Store. Just type in like Catkinson and it'll pop up. I actually did get given some for free from them, guys, which was very generous of them. They're just sitting in my wallet, just chilling. But yeah, guys, I hope that's what you guys wanted, a little review of what I personally think. You know, it's a bit of fun. That's all they want to do. They just want to have a bit of fun. Maybe bring memes to the CNFT space. Who knows? We might do other projects, and it's just we haven't got a plan, but we might have a plan. I quite like it. You know, it's definitely unique and openly transparent and honest. So, guys, this is Catkinson. You know, you can follow on Twitter, or I'll leave all the links down below if you are interested in checking it out. Maybe you have expertise in maybe helping out with websites, maybe community management, and you might want to volunteer and help this project go somewhere. You know, you never know. Because there is people out there who will help each other out in this space, which is fantastic to see. So, guys, this is Catkinson. The people who are running this place, if you are taking this feedback, I think that'd be amazing. You know, maybe a nice revamp of the website, maybe a font change in the kitty litter paper, maybe explain what the game's going to be about, all that type of stuff, right? But overall, you know, you've got an alright NFT. It looks okay, in my opinion, for a meme. It's nice, it's chill, it's not too bad. You have a somewhat of a plan. You haven't got a plan, but you've got a bit of a basic plan, which isn't too bad. So yeah, guys, I love how you're being transparent. Continue being transparent. Continue doing what you're doing, and you know, who knows? This could be the biggest CNFT meme project in the near future, right? You just need to keep pumping out and improving on the project and doing like little changes, like I've just suggested there with the website. If we talk about the Discord, it doesn't seem to be too active, but it's not. You know, there's some active community members in there, so maybe you recruit some of the community members to become part of the team, and maybe you host little game nights, that type of stuff, which I think would help the project. So yeah, that's what I personally think. I hope this feedback was enough for you. And those who are watching just because they were interested, maybe check it out, have a little look. Maybe you think it's a bit funny and you want to get in anyway and just have a bit of play around with the project. But please do your own research. Obviously, I've already told you they don't have a plan. You know, they're telling you not to really invest into the project unless you really want to. You don't see projects like that too often. I think it's quite neat and unique to do that. So yeah, that is the project. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you want more projects like this, just let me know. If you want me to find little projects like this and just talk about it and review it, just, you know, leave me a comment down below. But yeah, if you like the video, like it. If you want to see more stuff, subscribe, check it out. We won't do too much stuff like this, but you know what? It's a one-off. could be a few others. Who knows, right? Who knows the future of this channel? But this guy reached out to me and wanted a bit of help, and yeah, he's just super transparent and honest. So that's the reason why I did it. So, you guys, see you in the next video. Peace.